Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. In today's tutorial video, I'm back with another video on how to download a Snapchat application on your iPhone. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon right next to it so that you'll never miss another future update from us. In order to download your Snapchat application on your iPhone, first go visit your App Store. Tap it on. In order to launch it on, make sure you're connected to a Wi-Fi or your cellular data. Now, tap on the search button at the lower right-hand corner of the screen in order to bring up the search box. In the search box, type in Snapchat and search. You'll be able to see the application displayed on the next page. Tap on the cloud icon with the arrow in it in order to begin the downloading process. Wait until your app gets downloaded. It might take a couple of minutes, depending upon your internet speed. Once the application is downloaded and installed, tap on the Open button right next to it to launch the app open. That is how you can easily get the Snapchat application on your iPhone. If you're already signed up for an account, tap on the Login button and log into your Snapchat account. If you don't have an account yet, tap on the Sign Up button at the bottom of the screen and register yourself to a new Snapchat account. That is how it is done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.